Hey guys, welcome to another Devlog. This week I got to work on the Perk tree, but before that I needed to do a few things. For example, when you fall off the edge of the map, you don't really die, so that needs fixing. I need to create a script that respawns you, so I used Unity's triggers for this. With a couple of lines of code, I got it working. Now I needed to create another script that will basically update the respawn location whenever you reach it. Yes, you guessed it. It's a checkpoint. Excuse me. After that, I added to my save data, drew some gizmos for it to be visible in the editor, and placed a bunch around the map. This yellow sphere that you see me placing around, that's the respawn location. Alright, so for the perk tree, I made a video tutorial a while back about creating perk trees. I will be using that very same idea. Before you open the perk tree though, you will have to open the menu. For this, I wanted to do something similar to Skyrim's menu, and this is what I've come up with. The menu items move a little bit whenever you move the mouse. Next, I wanted to make this text float towards the middle of the screen whenever you're hovering over them, so I created a little script to achieve this using lerps and rect transforms. Or almost did. Goddamn. Alright, it's all working smoothly now. There are two ways of opening the perk menu. You can hold tab, hover over the perks text, and let go of tab. Or you can hold tab, left click on the perk text, and when you let go of the tab, it closes. Then I added a particle effect to the text whenever you hover over it, because why not? Now I needed to create some art. I opened GIMP and started creating icons for all 6 perks I have in mind for now. I needed to create 2 versions of the same perk icon. Alright, so today I've been working on this game for about 6 or 7 hours, so I'm gonna go stretch my muscles and eat shit for a few, then maybe go for a drink after to ease the stress of being in constant physical pain from sucking dick at skateboarding. Next day, I connected all paths using an image of Unity's default particle. Now, when I made all of the active icons, I also created one that had way better shading, just to try out how it would look rather than the 2-color palette, and oof man, oof, it looks so much better. So much better. So I went back to GIMP and created all active icons with better shading. and this is what it looks like now. I also added a little explosion effect that is created when you upgrade a perk and shake the camera a little bit. So I wanted to give more visual feedback to the player whenever they sprint, because now it only animates the character. So I added a few lines of code to zoom in and out using the camera's field of view. I wanted to add this method of clicking UI elements that is used a lot in Destiny 2, where you have to hold for a certain amount of time to purchase items or accept quests. One more thing I wanted to do was to create a broken version of our enemy ball. Instead of having a ball rolling around, I can dissolve the different parts of the mesh at the same time, and it looks way better than having a whole sphere just being dissolved. There's one more thing you might have noticed: blood. There's way more blood on the ground, and rocks. And that is it for this devlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.